Okay, have you guys ever like shot a micro, but it's like kind of out of focus in some places? Today we are going to merge photos. So first thing I did was go into photo, edit in, and then Photoshop as layers. Yeah, I got through that. Great. All right. So now they open into Photoshop and they're basically obviously layers. And then they're gonna all open. Let them all open. It's going to take a while, especially if you have giant files like I do. But like for what? For a ring photo? It's insane, but it's fine. So then from here, we're going to go into, actually before we do anything, let's go ahead and highlight these and then go into edit and then auto align. And then we're going to just literally leave it on auto. And then we'll let that do what it's got to do. It's going to align our image or images all together. So it created this one image here. So you can turn them off, turn them on, see what is affecting what. So what layer is, you know, the sharpest, what layer you just don't need just to compress or actually just make the file smaller so you're not, you know, killing Photoshop too and making it lag. And then from here, we're going to go into edit and then auto blend layers. So this is going to kind of blend the layers in a way where there's layer masks. So then it'll fill, like, make sure that the last two are checked to fill the transparent parts because it's basically going to select the sharpest from every layer that you just did. And then kind of like what I said before, but it's not trying to align it, it's more like trying to select and mask the sharpest part of each image. So in kind of a confusing in layman's terms, that's what it's doing. So now we have all these masked layers all down here. And this is, for me, real time because my computer is super slow, yay. All right, so you might have those marching ants. You can take them off if you want. The marching ants are just like selective tools. And yeah, so we have all these merged into one. Go ahead and flatten your image. And we have one sharp image now. All right, guys, that is all. I'm going to go ahead and actually finish this edit. So if you guys want to continue watching and watch me finish this edit, all I'm going to do is just some lighting and some color tricks. Whoa, who do I think I am? Color editing. So go ahead and keep watching if you want. All right? Yeah. Okay. Bye. Yeah, so I hope you guys learned something new, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!